Let's learn how to edit and manage an asset in Propitect. When you open an asset that you've created in Propitect, you'll first see the info page, which displays general details about the asset and its linked device. Across the top, you'll see several tabs: Info, Alarms, Telemetry, Service, and depending on your device type and user permissions, you might see things like Configuration, Modbus, Control, or HMI. In this video, we'll focus on the Info tab, and I'll cover off the other tabs in later videos. On the right-hand side of the page, you'll see a map showing the asset's location. On the left, you'll find the asset's general details. First is the asset name, which was created when the asset was first set up from a device. Next is the displayed variable. This will only appear if it has been set up and configured in the settings, which we'll cover later. Then we have the asset owner, which we'll cover in another video as well. Below that, you'll see the linked device, most likely an Interlinks module, followed by the device supplier and the status indicator. This symbol shows the signal strength of the device. In this example, the red color and the small X indicate that the asset is offline and has no signal, meaning it may have no power or no network connection. If we open another asset, you can see that this has a green icon. This means that it is online and connected. Under status, you'll find the last active time, showing when the device last communicated with the Propitect platform. Next, we have alarms. You can see this asset has a few listed here. If you're an admin, you'll also have access to additional information. By clicking Show More, this reveals the firmware version, the RSSI signal strength, and the IMEI device ID. Note that the firmware version only appears for MATelec Australia Interlinks and Emulink devices. For non-MATelec devices connected to Propitect, this field will be blank. If we click the Settings button, it opens a new window where we can edit the asset. Here you can update the asset name, choose a displayed variable, such as level. This can be configured in the Telemetry tab. Manage your data, we'll cover this in more detail in another video, or delete the asset. Note that this option is limited to admin users. Under the Location tab, you can edit the asset's address or adjust where it appears on the map. This does not change how the asset functions, it simply updates its displayed location. You can edit the address manually or use coordinates from the map or even your web browser. Selecting Get Coordinates from the map opens an interactive map where you can zoom in, pan around, and drag a pin to the exact location of the device. This automatically fills in the address from Google Maps, as well as the latitude and longitude, which is especially useful if you have multiple controllers on one site and need precise placement. Alternatively, you can get coordinates from your browser, which uses your IP address to estimate the location. However, this method is less accurate, so we recommend using the map coordinates or the manual address entry for best results. Next is the Notifications tab. This section manages alerts sent to users when faults or updates occur with the device. By default, notifications are sent via email, but you can enable SMS notifications by ticking this box. You can also choose which users receive notifications. There are 3 user roles: admins, service managers, and technicians, which we'll cover later. Below that, you can add additional recipients to receive updates by SMS or email. Next is the Dashboard tab. This is not applicable to most users of Propitect and would be discussed with you at the point of sale of the device. The next tab is Servicing. Each Propitect asset can be configured for service scheduling based on either a set time interval or a pump run time. You can create standard service intervals here, so once a service is completed, the next due date will automatically populate. Depending on your device type, you may also have a Relay tab here. This allows you to configure relay output settings from the Control tab on the main asset screen. We'll explore that in another video. That's how to edit and manage a Propitect asset. In the next video, we'll look at connecting a Propitect device and exploring the data plans available, including how to manage and change them within the Propitect platform.